Welcome to our play. Today the students of Group 2 that are Manyata, Kamakshi, Madhav, Sulaksh, Priyansh and Ritwan and Ru are going to stage a play focusing upon the idea of consumer rights, and our main agent of today is to spread awareness about the rights a consumer possesses that makes him or her a king in the society. Finally, let's get into it. And Meenal have been searching for a house here and there. They are like some hunter-gatherers searching for food from the past 6 months. Finally, they got a vacant room in a person's house called Gajodhar, who agreed to let them stay.
Finally, Meenal, look, we have got a place to live. Our hard work was worth it.
Yes, indeed. I am very happy today, Abhishek. I can't believe this is happening. But tell me a thing, when will the dream for own house come true?
That dream will come true someday for sure. But I think that we should celebrate this moment at present. Be right here. I'll just inquire the rent for advance.
Abhishek then consults Gajodhar regarding the rent in advance.
So, sir, what would be the rent in advance and for what duration?
Alright, so you will pay 30,000 as security and 15,000 as monthly rent. Okay.
30,000? I don't even earn that much in a month.
Okay, fine. How about 20,000?
20,000? I earn exactly that much a month. Then how do you think that I'll be able to get other necessary commodities if all of my salary goes just in the rent?
Yeah, fair enough. I guess. Then 10,000 would be fine. Look, sir, that's the least I can go. Otherwise, you can find some other place to live.
No, sir. बुरा काहे मानते हैं? I'm fine with it. Don't worry. I can go with this trip.
Very well then, congratulations. So your final rate would be 10,000 and as in advance and the same as monthly charges.
Thank you, sir. I can't express how happy I am right now. You have just solved a massive problem of mine. Here's your advance.
Thank you.
In 3 months, one day, Abhishek was having a relaxing weekend with his family. He was spending his happy time with his daughter, asking to the curious questions she was having.
Dad, what is that hole on your phone?
What? What are you talking about, dear? Oh, this? This is a camera. We use it to take beautiful photos.
Photo? What is photo?
These are like some memories, just like we have in a brain, right?
So why do we need a phone for memories?
So that when one day you'll grow up like me, you'll see how charming and adorable you used to be in your childhood.
Dad, I have decided when will I grow up, I'll become a fine and well-known photo collector. I will collect every possible photo I'll able to.
यार एक कैसी बच्ची पैदा कर दी मैंने. लोगों को डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर बनना होता है और इसको मेमोरी कलेक्टर बनना है. गंदी औलाद, ना मजा ना स्वाद. बेटा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. मुझे तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहे.
What did you say, Dad?
नो बेटा, I mean to say that जो भी होगा मेरी बेटी से ही होगा.
Meanwhile, Gajodhar knocked at Abhishek's door. He told him to consult regarding the payment of the rent.
Abhishek, could you please come with me? I have to talk to you regarding something.
Yeah, sure. Manisha beta, stay right here. I'll come soon and we all will play together.
Okay, Dad, come soon.
He asked Abhishek about the rent of the month he was supposed to pay, and he recalled. He went back to his room and brought rupees 10,000.
Sorry Gajodhar bhaiya, this office work. Actually, I just forgot about the rent and I was thinking for so long that what I was missing. There you go.
ठीक है, but please take care about it next time.
Sure bhaiya, I'll take care of it next time.
But when Vanisha was playing with his father's phone, she secretly recorded their conversation unknowingly, as she was just passionate about collecting memories.
You again got late with the rent? How will we live like this, Abhishek? Every time you have to struggle with the rent and the expenses on the other hand. I mean, how do you manage all this?
Sometimes we develop a habit which we even don't want to. I strongly think that in future we would have a good life and a house of our own. I'll be able to send Manisha to a good school and she would make us proud one day.
Yeah, I think the same. But your daughter has decided to become some kind of memory collector.
Oh, come on, Meenal. That's okay. She's just a child. She'll understand it when she'll grow further. But for now, please make me a cup of tea. I'll just do my office task.
Yeah, whatever. Take care of your daughter. I have a lot of work to do in the kitchen right now. So please let me do that.
After a couple of months, Abhishek started being busy in his office work and somehow he couldn't manage to meet his expenses. He was doing his office work laboriously when Gajudhar called him again.
So Abhishek, I have been noticing you that you have unable to pay the rent of your last 2 months. What's happening? क्या बात है?
See, Gajodhar Bhaiya, please give me a deferment of 2 days. I promise I'll pay the rent as soon as possible. Please, Bhaiya, please.
Along with, the rent of the first month you were supposed to pay.
But wait a minute. I did pay the rent of the first month. What rubbish are you talking?
Oh no, my father is in danger. मैं आ रहा हूँ पिताश्री, जय महेशपति.
अभी नहीं पुत्री, तुम जाकर छोटा भीम देखो.
Okay, Raju.
Yeah, Bhaiya, I had paid my rent. How could you say I didn't?
No, you didn't pay me the rent. If you have paid the rent, I have marked it on my register. But I haven't marked it on my register. ये देखो. You are altogether supposed to pay 30,000 to me. And if you can't pay me the rent, you and your family may leave. I'm just giving you a time of 2 days only.
Bhaiya, you are doing very wrong to me. I remember very clearly that I had paid the rent of the first month. And I'm supposed to pay rupees 20,000 only.
Don't try to outwit me. I have the written proof. You please pay the rent or find some other place to live in. I hope I am clear. You understand? You better understand.
Okay, sir. I'll try to pay the rent.
बड़े बड़ों को दी है टक्कर, ऐसे नहीं नाम है मेरा गजोदर.
Yes, I have collected one more memory.
He was really worried and really confused at the same time, and he couldn't decide what he was supposed to do until his friend made him a call to ask for the work in the office.
Oh my god. Gajodhar actually outplayed me. I don't know what to do now. What should I do? What should I do?
Dad, your phone is ringing.
Who is it? Oh, it's your Ashwin uncle, Manisha. Hello? Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm just pissed off like hell.
Why? What happened?
Abhishek then tells everything to his trustworthy friend and the way he was being blackmailed and robbed by his house owner.
What? Is that it? Is that why you are so worried?
What's wrong with you? Does this problem look too small to you? What kind of friend are you?
No, friend. This problem is not the one to be taken for granted. But it has a very simple solution.
What? Really? What is it? Tell me fast.
Look, as you are a consumer and you are being mistreated by the one who is providing you with certain services, you can lodge a complaint in any consumer protection forum or a consumer court. Wait a minute, I'll send you the consumer helpline number right now. You can contact a consumer helpline agent and consult him regarding this issue.
Thank you very much, mate. Nobody can get a friend like you. I am so proud of you.
Hey, shut up. Dosti mein no sorry, no thank you.
Oh yeah, sorry. But I am extremely grateful to you.
I'm always there for you, buddy.
Hello, consumer helpline agent speaking. How may I help you?
Abhishek then contacts the consumer helpline agent and informs him about his current situation.
Don't worry, sir. Provide me with your address and we'll be right there tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. I would be highly obliged to you.
The next day, when the consumer helpline agent arrives at his house, Gajudha gets really shocked.
Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
So we have got a report that the tenants residing in this house are being mistreated and you are charging them extra rent unethically.
Oh yeah. What's the proof then? Look at this register. Sir, khali hai khali. What do you think? I am a fool?
Suddenly, Manisha gets to his father and shows him something he had never ever expected.
And Dad, look at my memory collection. Isn't it beautiful?
Not now, beta. Let me talk to uncle. Go, watch Chota Bheem.
Look na. I have collected one more memory. It's you and Gajodhar uncle.
Oh my god. Sir, check this out. This is the conversation between me and Gajodhar Bhaiya about the rent of the first month. And he accused me the day before yesterday for not paying the rent. Here's another video where he was accusing me for not paying the rent. Just have a look.
I see. After observing the proof, I think Mr. Gajodhar is guilty. So now Gajodhar Bhaiya, Mr. Gajodhar, has to pay Mr. Abhishek a compensation of 1 lakh rupees for violating the consumer rights.
No sir, no sir. Please give me a chance to prove myself that I'm not guilty.
I don't think now you'll have anything to prove yourself innocent, Mr. Gaplabaz.
Next year, Abhishek and Minal settled in their new house and they become one of the citizens who got aware about the consumer rights. They were really happy and their dream finally came true. Like these two, we should also be aware what's happening in our surrounding and in our society. With this, a play comes to an end. Thanks for being with us till the end. Thanks for watching.
जय महेशपति.
अरे बस ना यार, खत्म हो गया प्ले. कितनी ओवर एक्टिंग करेगी?